Milk. It is one of the oldest and most universally consumed breakfast drinks in the world, with a history that stretches back thousands of years to when humans first began domesticating animals. Cow's milk is the most common variety, though goat and sheep milk are widely consumed in parts of Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. What makes milk unique among breakfast drinks is its nutritional completeness. It provides protein, calcium, fat, and vitamins all in one glass. Children around the world grow up drinking it in the morning, and it remains a foundational part of breakfast culture in countries ranging from the United States to India to Scandinavia. It is also the base ingredient for many other breakfast drinks, making it one of the most versatile liquids in the kitchen. Orange juice. Few things feel as classically breakfast as a cold glass of orange juice. It became a staple of the American morning table in the early 20th century, largely driven by the Florida citrus industry and later by the development of frozen concentrate technology in the 1940s, which made it affordable and widely available. The drink is made by pressing ripe oranges and collecting the liquid, which is naturally high in vitamin C, potassium, and folate. Fresh squeezed orange juice has a brightness and natural sweetness that packaged versions rarely match. In many households across Europe and North America, it is served alongside eggs and toast as part of a standard morning meal. Its association with health, energy, and morning routine has kept it relevant for over a century. Coffee. It is the most widely consumed morning beverage on Earth, and for hundreds of millions of people, the day simply does not begin without it. Coffee originated in Ethiopia, where the coffee plant grew wild, and spread through the Arab world before reaching Europe in the 16th century. The drink is made by brewing roasted and ground coffee beans with hot water, and the result is a dark, slightly bitter liquid with a rich aroma that is immediately associated with waking up. Caffeine is the key reason most people reach for it in the morning. It blocks the brain's adenosine receptors, reducing the feeling of tiredness and increasing alertness. Coffee culture varies widely around the world, from the strong espresso shots of Italy to the milky flat whites of Australia, to the sweetened instant coffee popular across Southeast Asia. Tea. Tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world after water, and for a significant portion of humanity, it is the preferred morning drink over coffee. It originated in ancient China, where it was consumed for both its flavor and medicinal properties, and spread gradually across Asia and eventually the entire world through trade routes. The drink is made by steeping dried leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant in hot water, and the flavor, color, and caffeine content vary significantly depending on how the leaves are processed. Black tea is the most common breakfast variety, especially in the United Kingdom, India, and Pakistan, where it is often brewed strong and served with milk and sugar. Green tea, popular across East Asia, has a lighter, more grassy flavor, and is associated with calm focus rather than the sharp kick of coffee. Smoothie. The smoothie is a relatively modern addition to the breakfast drink category, rising to widespread popularity in the health-conscious culture of the 1970s in California before going fully mainstream in the 1990s and 2000s. It is made by blending whole fruits and vegetables together with a liquid base such as milk, yogurt, or juice until the mixture is completely smooth. Unlike juices, smoothies retain the fiber of the fruits and vegetables used, which makes them more filling and nutritionally complete. The combinations are virtually endless: banana and almond milk, spinach and mango, berries, and Greek yogurt, which is part of what makes them appealing to such a wide range of people. For those who do not have time to sit down for a full breakfast, a smoothie offers a quick and portable way to consume a meaningful amount of nutrition in minutes. Chai. Chai is a spiced tea drink that originated in India and has become one of the most beloved morning beverages across South Asia and increasingly the rest of the world. The word chai simply means tea in Hindi, but what most people mean when they say it is masala chai, tea brewed together with a blend of warming spices that typically includes cardamom, ginger, cinnamon, cloves, and black pepper, combined with milk and sweetened with sugar. The drink is prepared by simmering all the ingredients together in a pot, which produces a deeply aromatic, thick, and comforting cup. In India, it is served from street stalls called tapri in small clay cups, and drinking it is as much a social ritual as a nutritional act. The spices used are not just for flavor. Many of them have been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries and are believed to support digestion and circulation. Hot chocolate. Hot chocolate has been consumed as a morning and ceremonial drink for far longer than most people realize. The ancient Mesoamerican civilizations, including the Maya and Aztec, prepared a drink from ground cacao mixed with water and spices, consumed cold and often bitter, far removed from the sweet version known today. When cacao arrived in Europe in the 16th century, it was mixed with sugar and milk and served hot, becoming a luxury drink of the aristocracy before becoming widely accessible. As a breakfast drink, hot chocolate is especially common among children in Europe, particularly in France, Spain, and Switzerland, where it is often thick, rich, and served with bread or pastries for dipping. It provides a gentle warmth and a mild mood boost from the natural theobromine in cacao, making it a comforting and satisfying way to start a cold morning. Fresh lemon water. Lemon water is one of the simplest breakfast drinks in existence, requiring nothing more than water and the juice of a fresh lemon. Despite its simplicity, it has maintained a strong following among health-conscious people for decades, particularly as a first drink of the morning consumed before anything else is eaten. The practice of drinking it warm first thing in the morning is common in many wellness traditions and is believed to support digestion and hydration after the overnight fast. Lemon juice provides a meaningful dose of vitamin C and has a naturally alkalizing effect on the body once metabolized. It is popular in parts of the Middle East, South Asia, and increasingly across Western countries where morning health routines have become mainstream. Its appeal lies partly in how easy it is. It costs very little, takes 30 seconds to prepare, and requires no equipment beyond a glass and a lemon. Matcha latte. Matcha is a form of powdered green tea that originated in China, but was refined and elevated into a cultural practice in Japan, where the traditional tea ceremony has been centered around it for centuries. Unlike regular green tea, where the leaves are steeped and removed, matcha involves consuming the entire ground leaf, which makes it significantly more concentrated in both flavor and nutrients. As a breakfast drink, it is most commonly prepared as a latte, whisked with a small amount of hot water to form a paste, and then mixed with steamed milk. The result is a bright green, slightly earthy, mildly sweet drink with a smooth caffeine release that many people describe as more sustained and less jittery than coffee. Matcha lattes have become a fixture in cafes worldwide, particularly popular among people looking for a coffee alternative that still provides alertness and focus. Lassi. Lassi is a traditional yogurt-based drink that has been consumed for breakfast across the Indian subcontinent for thousands of years. It is made by blending yogurt with water and either sweet or savory additions. The sweet version typically includes sugar, rose water, or fruit, while the salted version uses cumin and mint. Mango lassi, made with ripe Indian mangoes, is probably the most widely known variety outside South Asia. The drink is deeply practical as a breakfast choice in hot climates. Yogurt provides protein and probiotics, the water hydrates, and the cooling nature of the drink helps the body manage heat. In the Punjab region of India and Pakistan, lassi is a deeply rooted part of daily life, especially among agricultural communities where it has been consumed after morning work for generations. Its creamy texture and gentle tang make it one of the most satisfying breakfast drinks in the world. Kefir. Kefir is a fermented milk drink with origins in the Caucasus Mountains region, an area between the Black Sea and the Caspian Sea spanning parts of modern Russia, Georgia, and Azerbaijan. It is made by adding kefir grains, which are not actual grains but a combination of bacteria and yeast cultures, to milk and allowing the mixture to ferment for around 24 hours. The result is a tangy, slightly fizzy, drinkable yogurt that is extraordinarily rich in probiotics, far more so than regular yogurt. As a breakfast drink, it is highly valued for its ability to support gut health and digestion, and it has become popular well beyond its region of origin, as interest in fermented foods has grown globally. It can be consumed plain, blended with fruit, or used as a base for smoothies. Its flavor is sharper and more complex than regular milk, and it tends to keep people feeling full for longer into the morning. Horchata. Horchata is a refreshing cold drink with deep roots in both Spain and Latin America, where different versions of it have been enjoyed for centuries. The Spanish version, called horchata de chufa, is made from tiger nuts, small tubers with a naturally sweet, slightly nutty flavor, blended with water and sugar. In Mexico and much of Latin America, the most common version is made from white rice soaked overnight, then blended with water, cinnamon, sugar, and sometimes vanilla or milk. Both versions produce a pale, creamy, mildly sweet drink that is served very cold, and is especially popular during warm mornings and summer months. In Mexico, it is a common accompaniment to breakfast, often sold alongside aguas frescas at markets and food stalls. It is naturally dairy-free in its traditional rice-based form, which has made it attractive to people seeking plant-based alternatives to milk. Turmeric latte. The turmeric latte, sometimes called golden milk, is a drink rooted in Ayurvedic traditions that have been practiced in India for thousands of years. The traditional Indian version, known as haldi dudh, is made by warming milk with turmeric powder and sometimes black pepper, ginger, and honey. Turmeric contains a compound called curcumin, which has well-documented anti-inflammatory properties and has been used medicinally in South Asian traditions for centuries. The drink became widely popular in Western coffee shops around 2015, rebranded as the golden latte or turmeric latte, and served with oat milk, cinnamon, and honey as a caffeine-free alternative to coffee. Its warm golden color, earthy flavor, and health associations made it an instant hit in wellness culture. As a breakfast drink, it is especially appealing to people who want something warm and comforting in the morning, without the stimulant effects of caffeine. Coconut water. Coconut water is the clear liquid found naturally inside young green coconuts, and it has been consumed as a morning drink across tropical regions of Asia, the Caribbean, Africa, and South America for centuries. Unlike coconut milk, which is made from the pressed flesh of mature coconuts, coconut water is light, mildly sweet, and almost completely fat-free. It is naturally rich in electrolytes, particularly potassium, magnesium, and sodium, which makes it exceptionally effective at hydrating the body after the overnight fast. In countries like Brazil, India, Thailand, and the Philippines, vendors sell fresh coconuts on the street in the morning, cutting them open with a machete and handing them directly to customers with a straw. The packaged version has become a global product since the early 2000s, marketed heavily as a natural sports drink and morning hydration solution. Its lightness makes it particularly appealing as a first drink of the day before heavier food is consumed.